UAVS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Ageagle Aerial Systems stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in the space has done more videos than me like this. Over 5 years and 43,000 videos. Everything is documented, showing you what's working and what's not. And with this beautiful pop-up with 37% up with Ageagle, you bet I'm looking to just double down on this. You know what I mean? So how's that going to look like? Well, we got this shift and it's going to mark up the top. I do notice this is very yappy, so probably not going to be how I expect it to go. But if it does pull down and shows me that double break, then you bet I'm going to pull the trigger like crazy on this. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just obviously waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, absolutely free. And there's really nothing else that I'll be adding here with UAVS. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.